All right, let's try to do a cold start video on this bike. We are cold, 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 cold. And the fuel is on. I'm gonna tickle it a little bit. Get a little fuel going through here. And let's see what happens. Bike has not been started. You told me it was 6, so it's been about 8 days since it's been started. Did I turn the key on? Key is on. Let's see how we do here. I don't usually give them gas. Oh, almost.